girls, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Alphabet Express, Choo Choo, where we will learn about letters as well as see some animals. So let's get started. Choo Choo. Our first letter is A for alligator. Our next letter is B. Bear. Our next letter is C for cat. Our next letter is D for dog. Our next letter is E for elephant. Our next letter is F for flamingo. Our next letter is G for gorilla. Our next letter is H for horse. Our next letter is I for igloo. And look, there's a polar bear there. Our next letter is J for jaguar. This jaguar is juggling. Our next letter is K for kangaroo. Our next letter is L for lion. Our next letter is M for monkey. Our next letter is N for nest. Our next letter is O for ostrich. Our next letter is P for panda. Our next letter is Q for queen. Cool, there's a lion. Our next letter is R for rhino. Our next letter is S for seal. Our next letter is T for tiger. Our next letter is U for umbrella. Look at the mouse holding the umbrella. Our next letter is V for vulture. Our next letter is W for walrus. Our next letter is X for X-ray. There's a fox holding the X-ray. Our next letter is Y for yak. And our last letter is Z for zebra. Now let's go ahead and sing the ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Thanks again, boys and girls, for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.